From today onwards, we are going to start our next module, that is design of the tension member. So first of all, we need to calculate the gross area. So for gross area, the formula is B into T. B is nothing but the width and T is the thickness. Then for calculation of the net area, the formula you are having, that is B into T minus N into D0 into T, where B is nothing but the width, T is the thickness, N is the number of bolts, D0 is diameter of the hole, and T is your thickness. So there are basically three types of failure that are given on the page number 32 and 33 of your IS 800 2007. So basically there are three types of failure when we are going to design for the tension member. So first of all, the main basic type of the failure is the cross section yielding failure. Failure because of the cross section yielding, then rupture of the net section, and then block shear. So basically three types of failures are there while designing the tension member, that is cross section yielding, rupture of the net section, and the block shear. As you can see, this is the diagram for the bolted connection. As you can see on this particular diagram, there are total 8 number of bolts connected with the, and there are, the tension is acting over here on this connection. So first of all, see your page number, IS code page number 32 of IS 800
Ma'am, your
2000.
voice is not audible.
Wait. Basically, there are three types of failure when we are going to design for the tension member. So all the three failures are on the page number
Ma'am,
32
your
and
voice is cracking.
wait a minute. Now, now it's clear. Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's on the page number 32 and 33 of your IS 800 2007. As you can see, there is in your IS code 800 2007, there is separate chapter, that is separate section of design of tension member over here. So first of all, you need to design strength due to yielding of the cross section. The first thing you need to calculate is your design strength due to yielding of the cross section. The formula to calculate the design strength due to yielding of the cross section is given by TDG. TDG is nothing but the design strength of the member under the axial tension. And the formula to calculate TDG is Ag into Fy upon gamma m0. अभी Fy क्या है यहाँ पे? Fy is nothing but the yield stress of the material. Ag is your gross area of the cross section. Ag you will get from your steel table. So the value of Ag is from the steel table, and gamma m0 is your partial safety factor for failure in the tension by yielding. This is again given in the table number 5 of your IS code, same IS code 800 2007. So from that table number 5, you have to take that values of gamma m0. Then next is design strength due to rupture of the critical section. So for design strength due to rupture of the critical section, सबसे पहले when you are going to solve the problems based upon the tension member, सबसे पहले you need to calculate this TDG, that is design strength due to yielding of the cross section, and उसके बाद में you need to calculate the design strength due to rupture of the critical section. So जब भी आप डिजाइन स्ट्रेंथ ड्यू टू रप्चर ऑफ द क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के लिए कैलकुलेशन करोगे, यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट TDN. सो TDN के लिए आपके पास में फॉर्मूला है 0.9 into AN into FV upon gamma M1. Again, the value of gamma M1 you need to take from the table number 5 of your same IS code 800-2007. And Fu is ultimate stress of the material. AN is your net effective area of the number. The formula to calculate AN, this is your TDG. No need to note down this, or I will share this entire PDF with you. All the formulas are given in your IS code. The strength due to rupture of the net section. The formula to calculate strength due to rupture of the net section is given by TDN will be equals to 0.9 ANC into FU upon gamma M1 plus beta into AGO into Fy upon gamma M0. Again, this formula is there on the clause number 6.3. As you can see over here, this one on the page number 32 of your IS code 800. Okay, what is ANC? ANC is nothing but the net area of the connected leg. जो भी net area of the connected leg रहेगा, उसका area is your ANC. Then AGO is your gross area of the outstanding leg. What is AGO? That is the gross area of the outstanding leg. Then as you can see over here, one angle section is shown to you. It is connected by a gusset plate. ये जो यहाँ पे ये वाली जो प्लेट है, दिस इज नथिंग बट द गसेट प्लेट. और ये जो है एक एंगल सेक्शन प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है. सो एंगल सेक्शन इज कनेक्टेड विद द गसेट प्लेट. दिस विल बी योर L1, that is the length for the gusset plate. This is your L2, and that is the length for the outstanding leg. T is nothing but the thickness. D is your diameter of the hole, and again T over here is your thickness. अभी जो भी एरिया के लिए फॉर्मूलेज है that are not given in your IS code. So whatever formulas are there for the area, you need to learn that formulas. So अभी AGO के लिए फॉर्मूला है L2 into T minus half T square. Now what is L2 over here? L2 is nothing but the length of the outstanding leg. ये जो लेंथ है यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का, ये जो एंगल का आउटस्टैंडिंग लेग का जो भी लेंथ है, that is your L2. And L1 is your length of connected leg to the gusset plate. ये जो gusset plate की जो total length है, that is connected with this angle, that is your L1. Now the formula to calculate ANC. ANC के लिए you are having the formula that is L1 into T minus N into D0 into T minus half T square. This is the formula to calculate ANC. So AG0 के लिए फॉर्मूला है L2 into T minus half into T square, and ANC के लिए you are having the formula L1 into T minus N into D0 into T minus half T square. So these all the formulas are there in your IS code. The formula that strength due to rupture of the net section as well as the gross section yielding. TDG के लिए भी formula it is given in the IS code. TDN के लिए भी formula is given in the IS code on the page number 32. So these formulas are not there in the code. So just draw this diagram and note down these formulas for area. All the formulas are given on the page number 32 and 33 of your IS code 800-2007. And if you are having any of the doubts, you can ask. Tension member, design of tension member. We had started the new chapter, that is the design of the tension member. I think you had joined late. Okay. After completing, let me know so that we can proceed further. After completing, let me know. Yes, who's this? After completing, let me know. Yes, done. Everyone had completed up till here. Okay. What about others? All the others had also completed. Should I proceed further? Okay. Then D0 is your diameter of the hole and is the number of bolts at particular section, and beta is the factor applied to the outstanding leg. जब भी आपको diameter of the hole चाहिए, so whenever you want to know the diameter of the hole is not given to you in the question, but whenever you have to calculate the diameter of the hole, you have to add plus 2 in the diameter of the bolt. So whatever diameter they had given you in the question, you have to add plus 2 when you have to calculate for the diameter of the hole. So beta is a factor applied to the outstanding leg. Again, the formula for beta is given in your IS code. The formula for beta is given on the again page number 34 of your IS 800 2007. I will show you where is the formula for beta. See here, The formula for beta is over here, that is 1.4 minus 0.076 upon W into T into Fi by Fu into Bs by Lc. Should be less than or equals to Fu upon gamma m0 upon Fi upon gamma m1 and should be greater than or equals to 0.7. Okay, it is on the clause number 6.3.3 on the page number 33 of your IS 800 2007, where Bs is W plus Wl minus T. You can note down the formula for Bs in this beta. Bs will be equals to W plus Wl minus T. I will share the entire PDF with you, so there will not be any confusion. Just note down the formula to calculate Bs, that is the shear lag distance. The formula to calculate Bs is W minus W plus Wl minus T. Bs क्या है यहाँ पे? Shear lag distance, which is calculated from the twist point of the connection till the length of the outstanding leg. मतलब total W minus Wl minus thickness will be your Bs, that is the shear lag distance. Okay, completed. Yes, Ibrahim, done. जब भी आप लेक्चर के लिए आते हो, रेफर योर आईएस कोड. आईएस कोड you have to
Yes,
refer your
I'm done.
IS code each and every time. Okay. LC is nothing but the center to center distance between the outermost hole. Center to center distance between the outermost hole मतलब ये यहाँ से लेके सेंटर तक की, यहाँ से लेके सेंटर तक का distance is your LC. Already it is there in your IS code, these two conditions. Just now we had seen. Then the third is your strength due to block shear. Again, this formula is there available in your code, strength due to block shear. Again, it is on the same page number, that is page number 33. This one. TDB equals to AVG into FI. This is on the clause number 6.4.1 of your IS code. So, strength due to block shear TDB equals to AVG into FI upon root 3 into gamma M0 plus 0.9 ATN into FU upon gamma M1, or TDB will be equals to, there are two formulas for TDB. The second formula is 0.9 AVN into FU upon root 3 into gamma M1 plus ATG into FY upon gamma M0. दोनों में से जिसकी भी वैल्यू कम रहेगी, that formula you have to consider, that value you have to consider for the next design. So from both these values, whichever will be less, that you have to consider for the design. So strength due to block shear, already we had seen, it is on the clause number 6.4.1 of your IS 800 2007. Now, as you can see in this diagram, यहाँ से लेके इतना distance is your L3 and it is in the tension and this plane is known as the shear plane and this plane is known as the tension plane. जब भी हमें आगे L3 और L4 जब calculate करना है, we need to know what is where is the shear plane and where is the tension plane and ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का distance is your L4. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का distance is your L3 and this distance is your L4. So for the third, strain due to block shear, note down all the formulas are there in the IS code. So just note down the page number 33, clause number 6.4.1 of your IS code and just draw these diagrams. No need to learn these formulas, just remember the clause number and the page number of your IS code. This is nothing but the this outermost part. ये जो outer part है, that is your gusset plate and this inner one is your angle section. And it is connected with the bolted connections. So ये bolts यहाँ पे provide किए हैं उन्होंने. After completing, let me know. And if you are having any of the doubts, you can ask. Ideas will be more clear when we will solve the sums based upon this. Okay, completed. No need to note down the formulas. Already formulas are there in your IS code. Just for your reference, you can note down this, draw this diagram and note down where is tension plane, where is shear plane.
Ma'am, can you please
Yeah,
again explain shear plane and tension plane?
yeah. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये जो प्लेन है, ये दोनों बोल्ट्स, ये तीनों चारों बोल्ट्स के बीच का जो भी प्लेन है दैट इज योर शेयर प्लेन, एंड ये दोनों बोल्ट्स के बीच का जो प्लेन है दैट इज ये यहाँ से लेके इतना, दिस इज योर टेंशन प्लेन। और ये जो ऊपर का प्लेन है दैट विल बी टोटल योर शेयर प्लेन, एंड दिस वन इज योर टेंशन प्लेन। अभी शेयर प्लेन के अंदर कितने बोल्ट्स आ रहे हैं शेयर, if suppose they will tell you to count the number of bolts coming in the shear plane. So shear plane के अंदर there are 3 bolts. shear plane के अंदर कितने bolts आ रहे हैं, 3, and tension plane के अंदर कितने bolts आ रहे हैं, 2 bolts are coming in the tension plane. These last 2 bolts are there in the tension plane. So as you can see, this is the cross section of your gusset plate. तो ये यहाँ से लेके इतना plane is your tension plane, and this one is total shear plane. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, done up till here. Okay. Now gross area along the shear plane, that is AVG. The formula to calculate AVG is L3 into T, and the formula to calculate AVN is L3 into T minus N dash minus 0.5 into D0 into T. अभी N dash क्या है, नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स इन shear plane. अगर लास्ट वाली डायग्राम पे से देखा जाए तो N dash यहाँ पे कितना है, 3, and the formula to calculate ATG is L4 into T, and ATN is L4 into T minus N double dash minus 0.5 into D0 into T. अभी N double dash क्या है, number of bolts in the tension plane. Considering your last diagram, N double dash की value is your 2. Now AVG is the gross area along the shear plane. This is AVN is your net area along the shear plane. Again, ATG is your gross area along the tension plane, and ATN is your net area along the tension plane. So just note down all these 4 formulas, and all these 4 formulas are not there in your IS code. ये चारों भी formulas you need to learn. These are not available in your course. Where L3 and L4, already you have drawn the diagram. You know what is L3 and what is the distance L4. T is your thickness. D0 is your diameter of the hole. Okay. So draw down these formulas. After completing the formulas, let me know, and if any doubts, you can ask. Okay, completed. Okay, do it. Okay, do it fast. ATN is the net area along the tension plane. Note down ATN. ATN is your net area along the tension plane. After completing, let me know. Okay, done. Okay, okay. So we'll take the problems based upon these in the next lecture because we are running short of time. We will not complete the problem by today. So we'll do in the next lecture. We are having last 2 minutes. So those who are not given the attendance, give your attendance in the chat box. And I will share this entire PDF in your on the Moodle account.